Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Buick Regal GNX, and this is from the Fast and the Furious movie, and this is number 4 in the series. So and I bought it for 249 rupees per piece, which is too overpriced in my opinion for a mainline car. Okay, let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, got it. So the initial impressions are okay. It looks good. The black looks really nice. There are some irregularities in the painting, as you can see here. I don't know whether it's dust or something like that. It's not going off, but it is definitely not sparkles. Again, the headlights and taillights both are painted, which I am not a fan of. Even the rims looks really basic. It doesn't have any exclusive set of wheels or anything like that. Hope you guys can see the interior here at least a little bit. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, this rolls really smooth compared to other 3 models so far we unboxed. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.